Share this video. Share this video. Maybe I will delete this phone. I think it will be better here. Share this video. Are you with 1 or 2? I hope my voice is loud. I hope my voice is loud. Okay. Let me try to use my mic. Let me try to use my mic. I hope my voice is loud. I want my voice to loud. Somebody tell me yes. I want my voice to loud. Somebody tell me yes. I want my voice to loud. Okay. Onye sometimes say yes. The other go. The caption says, "The tears of Father Nwebe and a gossiping priest." Father na kwasere. To be honest, I appreciate 1 or 2 of my fans who call me, or maybe those I consider as brothers, who call me to say, Ezugo, look what is happening. Because happen ba. But how can I happen when something is going wrong? That is the question. Kedu ka mmesi we happen? Ebe ife na aga wrong. I did not come live or make any video yesterday because of the incident concerning Ndigbo State, Ebulu, Anambra State. I was reflecting on that issue the whole of yesterday. I decided to spare yesterday. Kangali make any video yesterday just to mourn those people, because later today I'm going to make a video about that incident and caution those people who want to spark up interstate rival between Anambra State and Ebonyi State. It is just a criminal activities and anything to do with Anambra and Ebonyi State. I have said it countless times. Nande Ebonyi State won't any state in Nigeria. Bigolu as if it is their home. It is Anambra. So all the a case of insecurity or a criminal activities like the one involving Ndigbo State, that does not mean not the Anambra State. Because I have a lot of people who in Anambra, enough is enough. I will still come to that because that is not the main reason why I am here. Now, we watched the video. Ebe Father Nwebe na eberushi ya akwa. I will love to analyze that video ebe na eberushi ya akwa before we now go over to Father na akwasere. Go. For ndị na-abịa na inbox ma asem Ezugo na ọgụ ị na-anọ na onwebe onye nụsara Elijah Enugwu ọgụ na free bido ba ịgwa m ndị nụsara ọgụ anaghị free. Bidogodu ba ịgwa m ndị nụsara ọgụ anaghị free. The highest of all fight mfugolo fight in Owawu against Shimaroke Nnamani, where he said all manner of things against Shimaroke Nnamani. Now Shimaroke Nnamani can never go second term. No go second term or Ipu Apuju we father. All na people like us. All na people like us who they surely do mischievous. Now right from the time Chimaloke Namani got second term. What the time was season, father? Because your word should be your bond. Ages in a bitterness and hatred will. I've always told you people about using your word against your own word. When you are angry, when you are bittered, when you sense if you are jealous of somebody, you know that you are jealous of somebody. If you are envious of somebody, you know that you are envious of somebody. It will only be difficult for you to accept that reality. But you know, other people may not know. But the part of Onya now to the demon not in you. And just for you to react, you will be reacting unreasonably. You may not even know. Mano onye no unso ya no isi ezelu gba na nwanna na ezelu na egwu igbo. Owo na iwu nde nwe ka esi we chedo. Wow. Mas contact. Ka ko sa onye abro. You gotta go. I cannot consider that time. No onye abro if that we. Now, you said that the career Chimaloke Nnamani Ndigbo Chimaloke wonye ainol ojiri Bible warungwo ife niile was during the time of Chimaloke Nnamani. That was when this priest became so popular. It was the that 8 years of Chimaloke Nnamani administration. So nife melonya odu popular ndemadu we malonyo because he was fighting the government then. Now, Chimaloke Nnamani go na logo agola imojiri Bible which was assumed, which of course that time we assumed that na allegedly no nwere ndị sendere ka abịa gba egbe ewe Bible we warumbo keri ife mmadụ nwere ike imechacha agho we mee to the point allegedly no nwere ndị sendere ka abịa gba egbe ewe bịa gba egbe ọbaho onye ọna mechara ife attempt ya to take away ndowo onye ahụ emechago ife niile ọ ya emeghị n'ụwa onye ahụ emechago ife niile ọ ya emeghị n'ụwa. And all these things happened during the era and administration of Nnamani in Enugu State. Hey, what I go now after all that Chimaloke Nnamani today as we speak Chimaloke Nnamani can on a senate he is a senator as we speak and the Okasuna power brokers in Enugu State. So actually kelunde di faho na nusa Elijah Ogo mana for her. The day we begin to tell ourselves the truth, that day can support ya biebe mu na no ajukwa ngo ozo the ezugo anusi na ogo ahe na anu look onwe okwo onye anwa ho afam na ye were akpa mama obe nwere onye anwa ha afam na were akpa papa. And to some extent owo na alusi mekari ile agwe na am osisi eji wetu owo na alusi nyekari owo na Chimaloke aye ma na onya no Elijah agbakari chalo wo agwalo nya during that administration because that time he was seen as somebody who is standing up against the government, and I am the kind of government that with them. Now Chimaloke Nnamani is still very much healthy and kicking. Nnamani cannot at the height of his political career, because till today he is still part of the power brokers. Now, what of Peter will be? There are so many lamentations, let me call it, because if I have Lamentation chapter 1 verse 2, anybody that fails to meet up with your interest or your request becomes your arch enemy. It is very bad. Ezugo Esoro na part of those people you can cow. I have said it countless times. After Peter Obi Chala adoration, a lot of things was said. Look, now Peter Obi Dalo presidential election, it is not something new. It is something we know. No, normal with the politics by. After all, at that particular time, what I saw Peter be doing was creating awareness. And that awareness only create is moving. He's coming out to the point where northern elders can sit down and decide to form a coalition, putting Peter B at the center of that coalition. What it shows is that now political career Peter B is waxing. Even go Wakuru no ye win or no ye win does not have anything to play. The fact is that now Peter B, everybody, both Nugwalsa, Mana Yoruba, and then Afwe as a good presidential material. And sooner or later, it must come into reality. It can only take time. It has nothing to do with Okunyamuma, because now the adoration which is against his principle. If you know Peter Obi, you must not cow everybody into dancing to your tune. If you are a politician, remove your white. You put on the political field. Come and play it very well. You will make more money rather than Hebrew Bible. Ulu Bible. Bible. Intimidate people. Fear. There are people you cannot deceive. In fact, people say you can deceive some people sometimes, but deceive all the people all the time. So somebody like me, somebody or I will go. I will go to Nachezuga short at the age of 30 something years. Already in there 20 when they want to when they want 17 years. You know what I go? So yeah, I can tell it an act of faith. It has nothing to do with anybody. You know what I go? We cannot be justifying jealousy. If not jealousy, if you make it on waja clearly, no na fusikwa ke enwe no fe ife nke akariana we fusi no nwere ife na-ese manukwetu waja ji like iji ntị anụ if afọ evangelist onye ignore completely ina atufeli okwu ịghọtago ịtụfegidori okwu onwe ka o si wee saa yo ịgbapụta mana ngụ nọ na-achọ okwu kelu ndị dị ife ahụ nụsara ya ọgụ ahụ afọhọ. We want you to keep mentioning their names. BBC tiri Mbaka why kele ebe ọ nọ taa ọnwụgo ka m na-ajụ. Yes, ọnwụgo ono se na ndị ọ na-anụsara ya ọgụ na ahụ afọ ha. BBC tiri Mbaka why BBC ọnwụgo. BBC ọ nọ na street ayaghị ya kebe BBC nọ. He is still there bubbling, going about his normal business. Ewe njokwara ọzọ Matthias na video openly all manner of name. Kebe Matthias nọ. Matthias ọnwụgo. Guru na-eme Matthias. Ana m ajụghị ajụjụ. Nwamba nshi ihe dị pụtara na camera wee call out your alpha and omega. The question is, if Ihede can call him out, why will I not call him out? Ana m ajụ ajụjụ. Ọ bụrụ na Ihede nwere ike call me out, why will I not call him? Amon na na-aghọtakwa ife na-ekwu. Ka m gbaa esi ọwụrụ na onye mkpọtụ na-agwa m because moto ife a bidoro na-emekwazi program gbaa esi. Ana m anụ mkpọtụ. Onwe mkpọtụ ụnụ na-anụ. Onwe mkpọtụ ụnụ na-anụ. Onwe mkpọtụ ụnụ na-anụ. Somebody tell me yes. Onwe mkpọtụ ụnụ na-anụ, yes or no? When Patono Nano, I have them for comment about or Mujigari for comment to Kogun. Okay, no. Also, no, okay, then let's continue. So, as I was saying, I want somebody to hear the Molike Potani. Call your Elijah out. Away familiar. Somebody look at Matthias Molike Potani. Call your Elijah out. The Lunde de Fahana say, no more go when the Genosayogo, I follow. One on Yafafa, because we want to know them by names. Yeah, that Pagadijana Chogayoku, Manoku Nkedologo, a was very from it. A go? Eh? Open Kedologo, Eba Orogafa, Orafo, Fuma, a was very from it. What we are sensing is jealousy. And we have now confirmed that this is jealousy pro max. This is envy pro max. Leave that young man alone. No way for me. Your time have passed. Allow him to enjoy his own. Now I have actually seen what the problem is. From what Elijah Nugukulu last time, I was able to pick out one thing. What from the tears and cry of Father Nwebe, I was able to pick out one thing, which I am going to say in this broadcast. Share this video. As you go by, I am still waiting up till now. Come on to Denmark, one person. Denmark for phone, no sorry, okay. Why you familiar? Iji jena chogari yoku. Eh? Or iji jena chogari yoku. Ina chozi yoku. When they respond to you. Yeah, go with the Alpha and Omega. Yeah, to us we could say, and that one can reply to this as authority. As Jesus Christ of Nazareth, even Jesus Christ and born on what people respond to him. Even Jesus Christ, born on what people respond to him. That level of arrogance is what we need to sort out once and for all. That is how he can able to face Peter Obi, not on adoration ground, not insult to Peter Obi, because na Peter Obi no respect God. If not because na Peter Obi no respect God, if not because that Peter Obi is not seeing man but God. In Oleva, now embarrass Peter Obi, now embarrass openly na adoration ground, because you are Alpha and Omega. You want everybody to dance at the mention of your name. And let me say this. You want to go? I want a lot of people who just share video. Mbo evangelist Ebuka Obi, the new word of respect to Elijah Enugu. You want to go? Ne kuntu SWN persecute etu Elijah Enugu siwe kudorie and all that. They shared it. Let me tell you people. On waste of time. What you people are doing would sheer waste of time. You are wasting a whole hell of this. If I say because during the time, Elijah Enugu now pass upon another persecution after involvement in politics. Mwe Peter Obi as a president. Mwe the Catholic Church. Totalo. Can penalize here. Then Evangelist Ebuka Obi, we decide the solidarity on your then. Yes, it was him returning back the support and the solidarity. Elijah Nyeriye, during his own time, he decided that he was talking to people and say, he was now explaining to them how far he has gone and come with Elijah Enugu, which is not bad. If you are seeing it as weakness on his own part, now let me tell you, share because Namo boy, for instance, let me even use boy. Share because Namo boy. Does that mean Namayaka Umwegeshi? Does that mean Namayaka Odo relevant? Let me give you a couple of examples so that you can understand. Innocent in no maketa. Innocent in no maketa. Emana na onye innocent savụrụ na onye kụziri innocent business wo Shifromi Ezeonwuka, onye ihe eji Rojeni na Oba wee marụ today. Rojeni tourist village na Oba ịma today Shifromi Ezeonwuka. Onye ka innocent ihe na-afụta ata Nigeria niile ma Africa niile ma gbalụ boy. Now during the time of Shifromi Ezeonwuka, he did very well. He did fantastically well. In fact, his business thinking and effort to exceptionally, because this motorcycle I took from Kerivana or from Belgium, Kogoro Kamechina, because from Taiwan. Romi Ezeonwuka, so the first people so during his own time, and every follow on Rojeni Oba, those years that Rojeni made our childhood or the very okay. I can't remember that the whole of Anambra State how many of such facilities there is swimming pool. If you swimming pool, yeah, swimming pool are there yebu. Hosikito onye na lo swimming pool na sube. Onye Shifromi Ezeonwuka, Rojeni tourist village Oba. But today, Rojeni has done his own bit, and the innocent has taken it to another level. It will be so ewuluwulu. No one Rojeni potato at all. Now say innocent. Shifromi Ezeonwuka tourist village Oba. No yawu Oga innocent. Do you know that no yawu a more perfect they want to wrestle power always with people who came after them, who did fantastic, even more than them. The prayer of every father should be more of woman. No sound. On a hear no sound. The sound of the go. The sound of the go okay now. Shake your mic. My mic is on. Let me. Of the go okay now. Odugo okay now. Odugo okay now. Okay, very good. Odugo okay now. Ewepụgonu mic now. Odugo okay, ọ na enwego sound na agwa m. Yes. Agwa sound adugo okay. Okay. So, as I was saying, last time, Conscience gave a man a car. We place here na lifetime side. Do you know why he did that? Because now that man played a very important role now the Conscience you know today. Every big man you see in this life will their stories to tell, and you will hear names. Look at somebody like the late distinguished Senator Patrick Ifeanyi. You cannot tell his story today without mentioning Chief Cletus Ibeto. So, if you are the Ibeto we are talking about now, will you not be proud to see that, or to hear, or to know, or to see that now this Ifeanyi that people celebrate so much? He may be controversial in so many ways, but if you are Omekane, only ya to happy, no nya product that nongu wonye suronya, will you not be happy? But this is the reality of what we are seeing today, where the old people fail to give way for the younger ones to dominate, and that is the problem of Elijah Enugu. He is still battling. He is still battling with the reality of, okay, look at this guy. See, we get this far. Can you this guy make it all? We get this far. Now, having said all this, let us go and listen now to the cry of Father Nwebe. Let us go and listen. The other go. If you know the me, kono why na ifunde Father. Aya for Hagachuku. About Onya. As Christians, we should respect them because they are seen as the leaders of the church. But whereby you want to disrespect another leader, your own respect will be lost. Every driver, they are there respect you way. Ijo, they are respecting mama who a driver no leader. I will not respect you. Let us go and hear the cry of our own. You gotta go. The aqua metronom kuku. I felt his pain. You gotta go. I felt his pain. I have to be honest. Na bamba. The mother had that man among with this boat. You gotta go. Ushenna. I have to be very careful. You gotta go. I have to be very careful. Na owa so ugom. Onye mebi owa. Let us go and listen to the cry of Father Nwebe. You gotta go. Obiaka wolo mbeshu. Gonyo na nebeshu. As long as nature here kwa ilo onwe wu. Oh yeah. Legadeye, let us go there.
At the time of labor, can don't get used to nothing. Only way I should apologize to the medical team of this country. You know, I'm not a social media person. I'm not a social media person.
Man, I'm a social media person.
But the nurses, but the doctor.
Amen. I'm a sick ally.
On yesterday, I got a crisis ever by the member also. Oh, if I were a crisis. So sit together, one husband.
Okay, I get what Father Mbaka said in the but I'm not quick to reply. But I feel that
first of all, on an anife on a the other video I didn't play. On an anife on a pardon on now. This broadcast is very important in Nwebe, even though I'm on also I heard it to somewhere. Yeah? On an anife that second video in the play, will somebody tell me yes so that I can continue? Has a man for comment there, but somebody there, hey. So, okay. Sorry for that interruption.
we should apologize to Father Mbaka.
And I apologize. First of all, we distance ourselves. And then you no sound. Mute or mute. You other go. So, we distance ourselves from this apology. The other go. We distance ourselves from this apology. Father Nwebe Nyelu to Elijah of Enugu. I and my family will gladly distance ourselves from that apology. Let us continue.
Totally abused by the so-called people. Somebody, something, whosoever that has
Zion.
Mbaka and his team governor, all those governors and the other comedians and all those guys, bloggers that were paid to tarnish Father Mbaka's image. You don't know what it means for your image to be damaged. I feel free fighting because I don't have an image that is remaining damaged already. When I was so the Lord really prepared me for my own battle. I'm not afraid of what is done to me, the gang of, because this ministry, there's branch in America. 6 women out of 6 women in Dallas went to the place I lived to meet the man that hosted me.